Hey, it's Matt with Converted Carts. I'm here today with Mark from Mad Jacks, and we are talking about wheel spacers. We carry three different versions, 1 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch. And why in the heck would you need wheel spacers? The main thing is, and people use them for looks and stuff like that, but the main thing is typically when you put a lift kit on, it typically pushes up and out and a little bit of your front end. And so in order to keep the back end in line with those, you want to use the spacers to at least match that up. And so typically a 1 or 2 inch will do okay for that kind of a thing. But it also, you can put them on the front, you can put them on the back just to give it an overall beefier stance. So the nice thing about these is that in order to put them on the cart, it just literally slides on to the existing hub, and your lug nuts and wheel goes right into the outside of these. There's a little bit of variance if you've got a Yamaha, which normally would require symmetric lug nuts, because these are on the standard size, so you'd want to get standard lug nuts for replacing those. But again, these come in sets of 2, so if you're getting them for the rear, you just have one, you buy one, which comes in a set of 2. And if you wanted to do all 4 tires, then you'd buy 2 sets to do that.
We always go off of the look, right? We're trying to get a better, more matched look to the front end, but let's not forget about the rideability and the safety of it, right? The wider the stance of the car, the safer it's going to be, especially for any of the lifted vehicles, so you don't have any of the swaying back and forth. So, I mean, even for the kids, right, there's going to be more so as a safety feature, but you'll still get the look that you'll want to get to match everything up.
Right, very good.